Hello friend, this is NemoPeng from GospelBoat. Nice to see you again. Today we have two 9-meter easy craft waiting to be delivered. The one behind me, blue and white, and this one, black and white. They are in the same size, but different versions. One, you can see this cabin is back leaning. And this one is forward leaning. They are the same size, but different cabin version. For the forward leaning cabin, I have introduced in my previous video. You can check it, or you can directly contact with me. I will share the video with you. So today I will introduce the back leaning cabin version. I never introduced this version before. So follow me to get to know about this boat.